So here in 9.1 number 32, I thought I would start to give you some examples of some problems that are in the homework. The very first ones were trying to get us familiar with polar coordinates and how to plot them. So I think those are pretty self-explanatory. In this 9.1 number 32, what we're going to do is rewrite this polar coordinate. We're going to first plot it though, like we were in the original ones. We're here at 3 pi over 4, which is over in the third quadrant. So we're down here at 3, oops, apologize, 3 pi over 4 isn't in the third quadrant, is it? 3 pi over 4 is in the second quadrant. So we're up here at 3 pi over 4, and we're going 1, 2, 3, 4 out. And so that's the first part for us to plot each point. And then there's part A. So let me go do A in a different color. So in part A, they want the r to remain the same, to be greater than 0, which it already is. But they would like our angle to be negative. And so how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to remember if our r is positive, then we're going out in that direction. So I still want to go out in this direction, 1, 2, 3, 4. So my r is still going to be 4, but now I'm going to think about what angle is that? Well, going this way, it's a negative angle, and it's just beyond 4 pi over 4, so it's 5 pi over 4. And that's the answer for A. When we go to do B, maybe we'll do B in green. As we do B, they want our r to be less than 0, but also having an angle between 0 and 2 pi. So how is that going to happen? Well, if r is less than 0, then I need to be traveling backwards. And remember where I want to end up. I want to end up here. I still want that exact same point, but I need to travel backwards on it. So my r is going to be negative. And now I got to figure out, well, where is this? Because they wanted me to represent it in a positive manner. Well, that is just short of 8 pi over 4, so 7 pi over 4. C would be done the exact same way. I just thought it would be helpful to give you a further example of these.